Okay, let's move on to the cue card. And today's topic is describe an achievement or success you are proud of. Your time starts now.
Okay, so the success that I'm proud of is like recent success that I had was completing my degree, my bachelor's degree. I did that in 2023. The journey wasn't easy for me from the beginning. There were a lot of road bumps on the way, and I didn't have a guidance. And on top of that, the COVID started right after like starting the degree program, and it got difficult for me to get guidance and counseling from teachers, and eventually I failed in the beginning. However, some my mentors and my peers guided me, and eventually they guided me on the right path, and I started right back up, and I started to study again. This time, with the guidance of my teachers, with the guidance of my friends, I completed my first semester, and eventually, one by one, I completed my degree. However, when I was in the last semester, I had to get my internship at some renowned hospital, and I was looking for placement opportunities, and unfortunately, a lot of the hospitals and institutes turned me down. However, I again this time I did some meeting with my teachers and my colleagues and my peers, and that's how I got lucky, and one of them suggested me a really renowned hospital. Unfortunately, that hospital was in a different city, but I was willing to take the opportunity, and eventually I moved to that city and I got an internship. From there, in the beginning, it was difficult for me to get settled there, but eventually I started to learn new things over there, and within 7 months, I completed my internship and got back. Finally,
Okay, you are good at fluency as well as grammar, so you'll score good grades.
thank you.
Let's move on to the follow up questions. I'll ask two or three questions related to this topic.
All right.
How to measure a person's success?
It's not that easy to measure someone's success. For everyone, the parameters for success is different. For example, some say that success is solely based on earning the money. Some says that overcoming the challenges is a success, and that's how people define success. For me, I personally believe if you are good at something and if you're struggling to get something done, and finally when you have achieved it, that you feel successful and proud of, I would call that a success.
Okay, do you think the way people gain success has changed?
I believe it has changed a lot over the recent decades or say centuries. In the past, people used to struggle hard and they used to struggle a lot, and oftentimes they would get a little success and they would be happy with it. But nowadays, a lot of people have gained more access to information, and they have seen that even with like little work, but with smart work, they can achieve success in little time.
Okay, thank you so much. You are really good at grammatical range, fluency, and vocabulary.
Thank you.
I can say if you continue practicing, you'll get 8 bands.